If you had the right AI tools today, you could literally build an online income stream this month. Not in 5 years, not after learning to code, not after getting investors, right now. In 2026, AI tools are replacing entire teams. Marketers, editors, copywriters, and customer support agents. The people who understand how to use these tools are turning them into real money machines. In this video, I'm going to show you the top AI tools that can actually generate income. Not hype tools, not trend tools, but real tools that can help you build businesses, automation systems, and passive income. Let's get into it. Before we talk about tools, understand this. AI is not just software anymore. AI is infrastructure. Every business now needs AI content, AI automation, AI data analysis, AI customer support, and AI lead generation. That means if you learn the right AI tools, you don't just save time, you create income. Let's break down the tools that can realistically help you generate money in 2026. ChatGPT, AI brain for income. First tool, ChatGPT. This is the foundation AI tool for almost every online income model. You can use it to write sales copy, create YouTube scripts, generate blog articles, build digital products, write cold emails, create marketing funnels, and design AI business plans. If you're building an AI content channel, an AI freelancing business, an AI automation agency, or a digital product store, ChatGPT becomes your idea engine and execution assistant. It reduces cost, increases speed, and multiplies output. Used properly, this one AI tool alone can power a full income system. Midjourney, AI design income. Next, Midjourney. This is an AI image generation tool, and visual content equals money. You can use AI-generated images to sell digital art, create print-on-demand products, design book covers, make thumbnails for YouTube clients, build branding kits, sell Etsy products, and create social media content packages. Businesses need visuals. Creators need visuals. If you package AI design as a service, you can turn Midjourney into monthly income. Design agencies are now powered by AI. One person, one AI tool, unlimited creative output. ElevenLabs, AI voice income. Now let's talk voice. ElevenLabs is one of the most powerful AI voice tools in 2026. With AI voice, you can create faceless YouTube channels, build audiobook businesses, offer voiceover services, create automated explainer videos, and launch AI podcast channels. Instead of hiring voice actors, AI voice gives you scalable audio production. You can build 10 videos per week, create automated content systems, and produce multilingual content. More content means more views. More views mean more income. This is one of the strongest passive income tools right now. Make.com, AI automation money machine. Now we move into automation with Make, also known as Make.com. This tool allows you to build AI-powered workflows. Automation is where serious money happens. You can connect AI tools together, automate email marketing, build lead generation pipelines, automate sales follow-ups, create self-running content systems, and build AI chatbot workflows. Businesses pay thousands per month for automation systems. If you learn Make.com, you can start an AI automation agency, offer AI workflow setup, and charge monthly retainers. Automation equals recurring income. Zapier, beginner automation income. Another powerful automation tool is Zapier. Zapier connects apps without coding, and small businesses love simple automation. You can offer services like CRM automation, automated invoice systems, AI lead capture systems, e-commerce automation, and email follow-up sequences. Charge $500 to $2,000 per setup. 10 clients, $10,000 per month. Simple math. Notion AI, digital product income. Notion with Notion AI is a hidden income tool. You can build AI productivity templates, business dashboards, AI content planners, automation blueprints, and client management systems, then sell them as digital products. Notion templates are scalable. Build once,
Sell unlimited times. That's passive income powered by AI organization. AI video tools. Faceless business model. AI video tools are exploding in 2026. Platforms like Pictory and Runway allow you to turn scripts into videos. That means you can start a faceless YouTube automation channel, create AI explainer videos, sell video marketing packages, build content agencies, and monetize short-form content. Video content drives traffic. Traffic drives money. AI video tools reduce production time from days to hours. That's leverage.
Here's one mistake most people make. They try every AI tool. They jump from tool to tool. They get distracted by trends. Instead, pick one income model. Then choose the AI tools that support that model. If you want an AI automation agency, focus on Make and ChatGPT. If you want an AI content business, focus on ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and AI video tools. If you want digital products, focus on ChatGPT and Notion AI. Tools support strategy. Strategy creates income. To hit $10,000 per month using AI tools, you don't need millions of followers. You need 10 clients paying $1,000 each, or scalable digital products or automated content monetized with ads and affiliates. AI tools increase your leverage. Leverage increases output. Output increases income. That's the formula. AI tools in 2026 are not toys. They are business infrastructure. If you master even 2 or 3 of these AI tools, you can build AI income, AI automation, AI digital assets, and AI-powered business systems. The opportunity window is open, but not forever. If you want to learn how to turn AI tools into real money and scalable income, subscribe to Vector Wealth AI. Because we don't just test AI tools, we build wealth with them.